An Aimsir, the weather. An tseachtain seo caite, bhíomar ag foghlaim faoi Aimsir. An gcuimhin leat an folklore ón tseachtain seo caite. Do you remember the vocabulary from last week? An gcuimhin leat. Do you remember? Cuireamar cúpla ceistena. Cén sort Aimsir a bhí ann? What sort of weather was there? An raibh sé. Was it? Cén sort Aimsir a bhí ann? An raibh sé. Cén sort Aimsir atá ann? What kind of weather is there? An bhfuil sé. Is it? Cén sort Aimsir atá ann? An bhfuil sé. Cén sort Aimsir a bheidh ann? What sort of weather will there be? An mbeidh sé. Will it be? Cén sort Aimsir a bheidh ann? An mbeidh sé. Anois, an gcuimhin leat na focail sin. Cad é seo? Agus seo. An gcuimhin leat é sin. Céird faoi an ceann seo. Agus é seo. Cad atá ag tarlú an sin? Cad é sin? An gcuimhin leat an ceann seo. Céird faoi an ceann seo. Agus an ceann seo. É sin. Cad atá ag tarlú an seo. Céird faoi seo. Agus an ceann sin. An ceann sin. Agus an ceann dearnach. Scamal. Cloud. Scamal. Bhí scamal sa spéir. Bhí scamal sa spéir. There were clouds in the sky. That's why the I is there, because it's a plural. There were clouds in the sky. Tá scamal sa spéir. There are clouds in the sky. Beidh scamal sa spéir. There will be clouds in the sky. Bhí an spéir dubh le scamal. The sky was black with clouds. Tá an spéir dubh le scamal. The sky is black with clouds. Beidh an spéir dubh le scamal. The sky will be black with clouds. Tá sé scamalach. This is our adjective. It is cloudy. Tá sé scamalach. Arís. Beidh scamal sa spéir. Beidh an spéir dubh le scamal. Tá sé scamalach. And again, we could change that to bhí sé or beidh sé. Kyo. Kyo. Fog or mist. Tá kyo ag teacht isteach. Fog is coming in. Now we could say bhí or beidh. Tá kyo ag teacht isteach. Tá kyo in nach áit. You'll hear your teacher saying gach a lot when they say gach dinner, everyone. Tá kyo in nach áit. Fog is everywhere. And again, it could be bhí for was or beidh for will be. Tá kyo in nach áit. And here's our adjective. Tá sé ceover. It's foggy. Tá sé ceover. Arís. Tá ceo ag teacht isteach. Tá ceo I nach áit. Tá sé ceover. Tornach agus tintrach. Thunder and lightning. When I was in school, I used to always remember that tintrach was lightning because tintrach has an I as its second letter and lightning has an I as its second letter. Or you could see that the tin in tintrach might remind you of the word tinna, which is fire, and that looks a little bit like lightning. Tornach agus tintrach. Tá tornach agus tintrach ann. There is thunder and lightning. Agus arís is féidir leat bhí nó beg a úsáid an seo. Chonaic mé tintrach. I saw lightning. Now here we'll see that the verb to see, feck, is an irregular verb because when I go from my Aimsir caite to my Aimsir loireach, it starts to look very different. Chonaic mé tintrach. I saw lightning. Feckim tintrach. I see lightning. So it's quite a change because it's one of our irregular ones. Doesn't follow the rules. Feckim tintrach. I see lightning. Fecki me tintrach. I will see lightning. Fecki me tintrach. Now, chúla me tornach. I heard thunder. Chúla me tornach. Agus arís sin bríthair navrialte. This is an irregular verb. Agus feck. Clusham tornach. Quite a change from chúla. Clusham tornach. I hear thunder. Agus an Aimsir asnach into the future. Clushi me tornach. I will hear thunder. Clushi me tornach. Agus an adject, the adjective, tá sé stiramúil. Tá sé stiramúil, it's stormy. Okay, arís. Tá tornach agus tintrach ann. Chonaic. Feckim agus fecki me tintrach. Chúla. Clusham agus clushi me tornach. Tá sé stiramúil. Inis, tá muid ag caint faoin choked, the temperature. Unchoked, the temperature. Cén choked atá ann? What temperature is it? Cén choked atá ann. Look at this, it's very similar to our earlier question. Cén sort Aimsir atá ann. But in it's cén choked atá ann. Tá unchoked air. That's kind of like the temperature is on. Tá unchoked air. Cúig céim Celsius. 5 degrees Celsius. Tá unchoked air. Cúig céim Celsius. Now, you might remember this from when we were learning about our ages, the way we do numbers in the teens. Tá unchoked air cúig céim déag Celsius. It's kind of like saying 5 degrees and 10, 15. Tá unchoked air cúig céim déag Celsius. The temperature is 15 degrees. Now I wonder if you can guess what will happen for the next one then. Tá unchoked air cúig céim is 20 Celsius. 5 degrees and 20. Tá unchoked air cúig céim is 20 Celsius. Okay, arís. Cén choked atá ann? Tá unchoked air cúig céim Celsius. Tá an seocht 5 Celsius. Tá an seocht 5 Celsius. Okay, inis an ceann deireanach. This is our last slide. Níos fearr, no níos massa. You might remember this word níos from when we were learning about our ages. We had níos óige, younger, and is óige, youngest. We had níos sinne, older, and is sinne, oldest. So níos kind of means like the or we add on in English to say more than or something changing. And weather doesn't stay the same, it changes, so we need to be able to talk about how it changes. So féachar seo. Tá an aimsir ag éirí. Now, the verb éirig means to get up in the morning. Not to wake up, but to actually get out of the bed. It means to rise. So in Irish, we often use ag éirí as becoming or getting. So tá an aimsir ag éirí. The weather is becoming, or the weather is getting. Tá an aimsir ag éirí níos fearr. Better. Tá an aimsir ag éirí níos fearr. The weather is getting better. Tá an aimsir ag éirí níos massa. The weather is getting worse. Tá an aimsir ag éirí níos massa. Tá an aimsir ag éirí níos teo. Te means hot, níos teo, hotter. Tá an aimsir ag éirí níos teo. Tá an aimsir ag éirí níos fuaire, colder. Tá an aimsir ag éirí níos fuaire. Now, we know that language is like Lego, so if I know tá an aimsir ag éirí níos fuaire, there's something else I could change this to, and it'll all work the same. Tá an seocht ag éirí. So we learned choked was temperature, so why not say tá an seocht ag éirí níos fearr. The temperature is getting better. Tá an seocht ag éirí níos massa. The temperature is getting worse. Tá an seocht ag éirí níos teo. The temperature is getting hotter. Tá an seocht ag éirí níos fuaire. The temperature is getting colder. And we'll add 2 on here. Tá an seocht ag éirí níos mó. Bigger or greater. The temperature is getting bigger, it's rising. Tá an seocht ag éirí níos mó. Tá an seocht ag éirí níos lú, smaller. Tá an seocht ag éirí níos lú. Okay, sa deire, just to end. Tá an seocht ag éirí níos fearr. Tá an aimsir ag éirí níos massa. Tá an seocht ag éirí níos teo. Tá an aimsir ag éirí níos fuaire. Tá an seocht ag éirí níos mó. Tá an seocht ag éirí níos lú. Sin é, slán.